Yo, how many hats you got there, son?
Four. Oh, you recording? What I found, Smoke. I told him I was bringing it back.
The DC is back. Facts.
Suelz holding on to the one of one for dear life. He's not using that hat.
This particular hat be a one of one. That means none before them, none to come. Homie that's traveling be the only one that has it. Show you how to do this, son.
One of ones.
Yo, we out here blacking. This is my last dream chaser hat that ever existed. They don't exist anymore. And you know what? I'm gonna let her have it. I don't want it no more. Got mad at it. I don't want it no more. That's the last one. No more. No more hats. My only one. Say sorry. Say sorry. Say sorry. She feel way better, you heard? You feel better? You feel a little better? Okay. That's crazy. That's my last one. I will never have another one of these hats. Salute, good fellas.
Baby, like this is perfection.
No fighting, no fighting, no fighting.
Yo, Free, happy birthday. We spit it, so we gotta go. Are you so mad about it? Say sorry. Say sorry.
Sorry.